Hello, I'm Jamie from the Zoe team, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to connect your Claude Code subscription and use it inside of Zoe. Yeah, because as of April 4th, 2026, you are no longer able to use your Claude Code subscription inside of things like OpenClaw or other OpenClaw equivalents, but you can still use your subscription inside of Zoe. Here is some reasoning also. So how to set this up, how to use your Claude Code subscription instead of using any of the other models on Zoe. We're going to be going over all of that. So basically, this is a Zoe page. Go to settings, and you're going to see this subscription providers tab right here. Okay, so first what you're going to want to start out is go to the terminal. You start out right here, and how to connect your Claude Code subscription first, you're going to press Claude. I already have my Claude Code subscription installed, but basically when you do this, it will prompt you to log in, etc. That's all you guys. Now go to settings, go to providers, and right here, now you can see, you can add your Claude Code, whatever skills. You can bring your subscription providers. You can also add your Codex or Gemini CLI. So you're gonna want to activate this real quick. And that's basically it. So you can choose any model you want. Yeah, so how to connect this with your existing automations and future automations. So for instance, I'm going to choose one of these. This is one of my automations for like a viral content strategy generator. And as you can see, each automation and each scheduled task has a distinct persona and model associated with it. So basically, I have my Reze persona right here. I can change that to like UGC viral strategist. And basically, the most important thing is when you're going to select the model, you're going to want to select your Claude Code subscription right here, and remember to press save. And yeah, you can do this with, if you just added your Claude Code subscription, you might want to change all of your scheduled tasks to use your Claude Code. Also in your day-to-day for Zoe, you can go to the model here, change it to Claude Code. One important thing also is we'll go to activate using your Claude Code subscription for texting and emailing. You want to go back to settings, AI, models, and see right here, it also has the same persona and model picker. So you're going to want to choose Claude Code for basically all of these if you're going to be using your subscription, and it should automatically save. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys if you want to learn. I hope this helps you guys use the most of your Claude Code subscriptions, use the most of your automations, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. If you guys have any ideas for tutorials, also just let me know. If you guys also have any ideas for tutorials, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys.